Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best air impact wrench that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best air impact wrench. The right impact wrench is essential for removing stuck lugs and crankshaft bolts. The wrong impact wrench is a heavy, maddening, useless tool. An air-powered impact wrench takes the torque of a semi-truck and gives it to you in the form of a small. Number 5. Chicago Pneumatic Tool CP7782 Heavy Duty. It has a slightly lower impact rate than the Ingersoll Rand, but the overall torque more than makes up for it. Main features: 2,140 feet-pounds, 10 CFM, high torque power and fast operation. Number 4. Ingersoll Rand 285B6 1-inch Heavy Duty. The wrench comes equipped with a high-efficiency motor to help you deliver a maximum 1,475 feet-to-pound torque with 750 hammer blows. Main features: 1,475 feet-pounds of torque, 10 CFM, ideal for heavy-duty application. Number 3. Aircat 1600 THA 3/4 of an inch drive, combined with about 1,600 feet-to-pounds of loosening torque, to help deliver maximum comfort. Main features: the inlet air size is 3/4 NPT only. Heavy about 8 pounds. Aircat 1600 THA will suit you better. Number 2. Chicago Pneumatic CP7763 3/4 inch. The Chicago Pneumatic packs a punch with about 1,200 feet-to-pounds of torque. Main features: 1,220 foot-pounds of torque. Ergonomic handle. Reliable and sturdy construction. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand 2235x1/2 2-inch drive. This tool offers more power with faster hammers than most of the devices we review. 3/4 inch drive drills. This is the heavy-duty air impact wrench you've been looking for. Main features: 1,220 feet-to-pounds, 6 CFM, lightweight about 4 pounds. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.